What is up, guys? It's your boy, back with another video, and we're gonna check out some awesome stuff today. We're gonna go do something really crazy.
Stupid stuff where you pass out?
Yeah.
This is the process of putting up the tents. You guys should come where I can see you because of light. Colin, we're putting up your tent. How do you feel it's going?
Great. Okay, this will make it.
This is the inside of it. Oh, we'll show you more tomorrow.
Yeah, we're good.
This is what it looks like when you're working hard on putting up a tent. It's getting up.
Zoink! Are you good at cooking?
Yes.
Amanda? Are you good at cooking?
What?
Taters! Oh! Guys, what's going on? You look kind of guilty. It's 9:30. Wake up! This is for YouTube.
Oh no! No! My tent camping.
You're about to go famous. You're about to be famous. JK, it's Amanda's YouTube.
Anyone have ketchup?
I looked at mine and thought about it.
I don't understand why. Because that was freaking hilarious.
Freaking hilarious. It's getting wet over here.
this.
Show me the ring. Are you happy with it? Wait.
Okay, go, Amanda, put your boot. Keep going. Come on, Johnny. Keep going, Johnny.
Go, Johnny! Connor, what are you doing?
Making dandelion stew.
Into the pioneer woman. Probably putting too much. Oh gosh. You're a professional at this, you know? Not. That's how you do it. Oh my gosh.
Johnny, come get the basket.
Is it good? That is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Mr. Smokey.
How's it going, Liz?
I'm a hiker pro.
Yeah, you are.
Stand in the mud. Do it for the vine, bro.
Look, get there.
Climbing up the tree looking for a mate.
That's impressively good.
Bring it down for his food. Come here, buddy. You gotta come this way, buddy. You gotta come towards the trail. There you go.
Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Heather. Let go! David, you gotta break it! He's like, up! Come on, Johnny.
Lucky he has pants. I slid down and touched him more.
Johnny, just be
Johnny,
careful.
welcome to my situation. Oh, discussion, there it goes. Oh, there you go.
Nice. Who is it? It's Jeff. Okay, but I mean, it's me. I don't have Instagram,
How many lemons do we need?
I think we're good.
It's the bottom of the third inning. Well, boys and girls,
Colin, how's it going over here, dog?
Pretty good.
think it's cooking a little too fast inside. I'm not sure.
Just break it in half. Looks yummy. Judd, eating before it's time.
Okay, well, you guys don't have to eat that.
Preparing for rain.
So ready for this. It's been a freaking storm.
Got them all wrapped up.
I will be very upset.
Ingenuity at its finest. Wow. I'm impressed. Real cozy time happening here. Got David's kale. Poppers. Popping into the fire.
They're popping.
That's right. Wow. Yikes. Oh, nice.
Drip.
Got a nice view over here. I feel like a dad taking a video of his kids. You know, like little dad mode.
Rush the dad bod. It's in right now, you know that?
Huh?
Dad bod's in right now.
Oh yeah.
I felt a couple drops.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Yikes.
It's coming. Hey, get yours. We can click on acid water for you.
Conrad, can you explain the situation?
What situation?
What's happening here?
Oh, we're camping and there's a cold front moving in. And it's a little cold and it's a little chilly and it's raining. But we used our minds, our heads, and we figured this out. Got a nice little canopy, got an SUV,
The SUV
a
here.
couple tents,
The tarps are tents.
rigmarole, and we're staying dry, high and dry.
What are you drinking?
Coffee, iced coffee for the win. Already.
How is this morning going, Colin?
You know, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I feel great. Jesus is alive. That's it.
So even though this morning has been trash, you would still do this again? This is what happened, guys. Last night, it rained hard, as you can see. We had this tent up, we had tarps all around, and we got wet. Ladies? It's seeping in! Oh, my sack! So cold. Let's see what's going on in here. You okay over here? There's mud everywhere, that's for sure. Now, we're making breakfast and trying to clean up this disaster of a mess. It's cold, but it's okay. Do you guys feel okay?
Yes.
So, everyone's showering and cleaning up. We're getting ready to tear down the tents and having breakfast, and then we're gonna go home.
You want me to turn it up?
We're having eggs, pancakes,
What the devil?
and then Juddy is making sausages with parfaits. Yeah, made by these ladies with this dessert. What is this dessert, Joe?
Cheese pastry.
Cheese pastry. Oh my word, it looks amazing. Alright guys, so we are all done here. It is very sad. Everything got taken down. Everything is cleaned up here. It's been a good weekend. Now it's time to go home and clean off all this mud on us. Colin's. I'll show him the back of your car, Colin. Yeah, you do. This is all of our Colin stuff.
You can't tell a difference.
I know, my eyes are like shaded so you can't see. Say bye. These pants, man.